Welcome to the MBeat broadcast for the week of October 9th.
I'm Maddie.
I'm Molly.
I'm Natalie. Volleyball interview.
On Thursday, we had a chance to sit down with most of the volleyball team and ask them a few questions on their team in the season so far.
My favorite team memory was the ropes course we did for team bonding.
Our pregame song is Do My Thing by Miley Cyrus.
We're working really hard in practice and just staying focused on the basics and what we need to do to get there.
It's kind of fun because you get to make friends with upperclassmen and they're nice to me. Sometimes.
Before every game, I eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and I have peanut butter and crackers on the sideline with me at all times.
One time, I whiffed the ball in the game!
What? Actually did. We get to be a part of the team, but we don't have to run. Just hanging out with the gals.
Teacher friend tag.
Yeah, that's why it's Nate the Killer Miller.
Do you even know where any points are?
I had to dig one out the other day.
Heck yeah.
No, same nicest guy I ever met.
Melissa doesn't teach in the classroom. I can't do this without even
He
trying.
hates kids who sleep.
When they ask her, when is this going to be graded?
I've heard at the beginning of class, if there's 10 people that ask can I go to the bathroom? He's like, no, get your seat.
I barely know what field day is.
She is a demo writer, 100%.
Not being present.
I don't know, I've heard Mr. Barth really wants to help with cheerleading.
No, I
this
don't.
year.
I don't want to do cheerleading.
She would be a mythbuster.
Yes!
We've discussed this.
I mean, the question really should be if he wasn't a teacher, what would he be? But let's start with President of the United States.
Just a professional genius.
You would be a park ranger for sure.
Ooh, yeah.
One, he got close. He almost made it to the league, so it would have been an NBA basketball player.
If there was a job where you had to watch Netflix all day long,
And speak French at the same time.
Yes.
She cares about seeing you succeed.
I just had one today tell me that you give the best hugs.
Oh.
He's humor and he's a really nice guy.
I think they like it when he stays hydrated by drinking out of their water bottles every now and then.
Oh my god.
Mental health support. We asked Marian's new mental health counselor, Amber Detterman, for some ways to keep up with your mental health during the school year.
During the school year, if you're feeling stressed or you're feeling like you need help, you can always reach out to somebody. Talk to a friend, a teacher, a parent, anybody you feel comfortable with. Getting good sleep is super important because that affects our physical health and our mental health. So sleep, exercise, a good diet, try to balance nutritional with the sweets. And I would say reach out to a counselor if you feel like you are having trouble managing it yourself, because there's always help out there and you're not alone. So we're always here to help.
If you want to meet with Amber, who is from Catholic Charities, you should talk to a counselor first, who will sit down with your parents to help you find the best solution. She's here from 9 to 3 every Tuesday.
Guinea Milkamo Week.
for watching.